Follow these easy steps to upgrade your Acronis Backup through the Leaseweb Customer Portal. First, log into the Customer Portal and go to the Acronis Backup page. Here you can view all your existing backup packs and select the pack you want to upgrade. Once you click on Upgrade Backup, you'll be redirected to the Backup Configurator where you select the increased storage size that you want to upgrade to. You can click on Upgrade Now to go straight to checkout, or first add it to your cart to review the changes before proceeding to checkout. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, select the payment method and complete the order. You'll receive a confirmation that your order was successful. Go back to the Leaseweb Customer Portal to view your modification order. Once completed, the status will change to active and the new backup storage has been provisioned on the Leaseweb and Acronis portals. You can see the increased storage on the Acronis Backup page for the relevant backup pack. You are now ready to continue protecting your data. Remember to repeat this process if you reach your quota again to ensure your data is not at risk and backups do not fail due to insufficient storage.